Hi all, thanks for checking out the video. I wanted to show you a resource for creating your graphic organizers that you may use when you're compiling sources for your essays. Or graphic organizers are great for gathering information like the main ideas and the major supporting points and things that you might use for sources in your own essays. And MindMup is a great way to keep track of that information online. You don't have to create an account. You can save it and access it right here as long as you're okay with it being public. So we're not going to sign up today. We're just going to create a free map. And then from here, as you can see, we're just already on a blank page. You can double click and get started right here in the front. So I'm just going to title this Outline or Graphic Organizer. And then hit enter, and that box is done. Now I want my graphic organizer to drop down off of this and not branch off to the right as it does now. So if I click back here, I'm going to go to View, Map Theme, Top Down Standard, and now it'll go down this way. Okay, so we start here, and I'm going to hit enter. And as you can see, it automatically drops down. And the first thing I need is a thesis statement. And I already have this article that I've annotated. So all I'm going to do is copy and paste. And of course, you don't have to use complete sentences in your outline. But for time's sake here, I'm going to. So again, just hit enter. And I'm going to paste my thesis statement here. Now I want this to be color coded with my essay, and I have this in pink. So if I want this box in pink, I need to go up here to this change node style, select background, and then I'll hit OK. Okay, so my thesis statement has support, of course, so I need another branch off of this thesis statement for each major supporting point. So I'm going to hit enter again on my keyboard. And in this new box, I'll put my first major supporting point, MSP1. And all of my major supporting points are annotated in this turquoise green. So we will color code our major supporting points in turquoise. So I'm going to hit enter, paste, and then I want to color this. Looks about right. Now the letters are dark, so I will change them to white so I can see them better. Okay, so this is just my visual preference. Of course, do this however you want. Now, we're still working on major supporting points, so we don't want to drop off of this major supporting point. We want to branch off of our thesis statement. So in order to do that, we're clicked on this one, right? But I'm going to click this button here, Insert Sibling Node. So it'll make a node that comes back off of this. So this is our parent node. These are sibling nodes. And here I'll put another major supporting point. Your supporting points also have support. So let's just take this second one. And I color coded my supporting details here in yellow, as you can see. So I have this supporting detail that supports this. So I'm clicked on this box, and I'll just hit enter, and now my supporting detail will branch off of here. And that's yellow, so I want to code this one. Okay, and you'll just keep going this way. So so for each major supporting point, you click on your thesis statement, and you want to branch off of that, so you would hit enter. And then for each major supporting point, you have a supporting detail, so you'll hit enter again to branch off of that. And if you had another detail that you wanted to add on this, you could hit enter here. Or if you had another supporting detail that goes with this major supporting point, you would click on Insert Sibling Node and add your second supporting detail here. So I hope this helps, and I hope you have fun creating your graphic organizers. We'll talk soon.